I looked into Luxgrove Leather Repair. And honestly, it shows a lot of the same warning signs as those viral quick-fix repair kits that don't live up to the hype. The website is full of bold claims, promising to restore cracked leather, fix scratches instantly, and make old furniture look like new. But they don't show real testing, detailed before and after videos, or any professional certification. That's the first red flag. The product photos and marketing look overly polished, and the descriptions feel generic. When I searched for real customer feedback, there wasn't much available outside of promotional comments. No solid Trustpilot reviews, no independent YouTube demonstrations, and very few verified user photos showing real results. Most users who did comment mentioned the kit wasn't strong enough for deep cracks, or that the color didn't match as advertised. Leather repair products need to be high quality to work properly, and usually require multiple steps: cleaning, filling, curing, and color blending. A simple one-step miracle paste isn't realistic. Luxgrove doesn't explain the ingredients or provide clear instructions, which makes the product feel unreliable. Overall, it doesn't look like an outright scam, but it also doesn't seem to perform as advertised. If you truly need leather repair, professional kits or local repair services are usually a much safer bet.